As the new year begins, savvy business leaders are looking to optimize their operations for a successful 2025. But what challenges will they be facing ahead? Here are 5 challenges we're expecting for the manufacturing industry in 2025 and how to tackle them. Technology is streamlining manufacturing operations, adding speed, quality, and efficiency to the process. AI, machine learning, and predictive analytics are leading the way by providing real-time data for better decision-making, optimized workflows, and improved demand forecasting. If you're not using this technology already, we recommend you do so. Workforce development, skills gaps, and employee retention will be the top talent issues in 2025. The long-term, experienced employees are retiring without a strong pipeline of younger workers to take their place. Your next generation of employees will need new skills to work with this advanced technology. Offer current employees training in digital skills, as well as soft skills like leadership and management training to provide your company with a higher skilled workforce. This will create a sense of loyalty and pride in the employee and improved productivity for your business. The focus on sustainability is everywhere. Manufacturers are feeling increased pressure to become greener due to tighter environmental standards and consumer demand. As a result, manufacturers are implementing environmental, social, and governance strategies and investing in energy-efficient technologies in the coming year and beyond. Supply chain disruption has eased, but challenges are still out there. Lead times for materials and the cost of logistics is high, and shipping delays and uncertainties are a big part of the problem. Smart demand forecasting and considerations like reshoring supply sources can help. In addition, establishing a strong sales, inventory, and operations planning program will optimize your supply chain. Tariffs will be an uncertainty, with potential trade wars on the horizon. It can drive up the cost of materials. Many manufacturers are stocking up on supplies and materials now. It is one more reason to consider reshoring and nearshoring of supplies. Despite ongoing challenges, 2025 looks bright for manufacturers to grow their businesses. At USC Consulting Group, we're here to help manufacturing companies become more productive and profitable. Contact us today to keep your operations humming in 2025.